everybody, welcome to our channel and welcome back to those who's returning, guys. And today we're going to do unboxing. Here it is.
Going to do unboxing today, and here it is. So let's go ahead and open this. So first we have this item. I already do this, so it will be hard to open. So what we have is the Power Step Pinnacle. It's good for your pain, guys. Relieves ball of foot, arch and heel and pain. I put this inside my shoes, so really need this. So as for me, guys, as a factory worker working in a manufacturing industry, we work 12 hours a day, and like I work almost every day, like 48 to 60 hours. So I really need this because we're standing all the time on the floor. So this one has a dual layer cushioning, antimicrobial top fabric, provides heel stability, semi-rigid support shell, and it supports the high arch. It's only supporting the high arch, neutral arch, and low arch. So this one, let's go open ahead. So in women's, I am 8.5 pounds. So in men, it's 6.5. This is only one pound. Oops, that was manual, but that's okay, guys. So this is how it looks like. In my old shoes, I have this also. I bought one. And now, we're going to open up this one, and I already partially moved the tape. So let's go ahead. So what I have this here is shoes from Brooks. This is my new favorite brand, guys. So I've been using Brooks since a year ago, like since I started working. And let's go ahead and show you what does my shoes look like. So just so you know, guys, I'm not promoting Brooks. I'm just sharing to you what I use at work and where do I buy my shoes. So if you're interested to buy this product, I'll put the link below in the description box. So here it is. Here it is. So this is my second pair of work shoes, guys. Here's the box. And that's it. So we'll put the box in this side. What I like about these shoes, guys, is like they are really slip resistant. Slip resistant, guys. And here's the cushion. I removed the cushion on this one, guys. This one, I removed that and put this one. So like that. That one, guys. Because I like the cushion of this one. This one is okay, but I really like this one. So this one is very nice. Black. I choose the black color because as what I said to you earlier, guys. I like to have a shoes that stays long time and slip resistant because I'm working 12 hours at work, and I work graveyard, or we call it night shift. So this shoes is really durable, and it's also like stylish and most of all comfortable. So this is what I'm looking in the shoes, guys. So just so you know, this is my second time to have these work shoes. So this is what it looks like, guys. So this is the original cushion inside. So I put the new cushion that I bought in this one. So overall, guys, Brooks didn't really let me down. They're really good products, and I highly recommend them. So if you're interested to buy, I'll put the link in the description below. And thank you for watching this unboxing, and hope you have a great day. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. So bless everyone.